What's up, bitches? I'm back. Bet y'all didn't see this one coming. Hey friends, I'm talking shit. Normally I don't do this shit, but I felt like it was time for it, so I pieced together a little spit. Your girl be shining all on my dick. I'm just playing, don't even think about what I be saying. People here, man, they all be spraying rumors about me, man, and I be like I can, but I choose not to win. They be like, don't be a bitch. Annoying people start to itch. Anyways, bro, right here, you affect your mentor, your master. Your girl know me as everlasting. Cast her my name, so screaming so insane. So many until that she give me brain, and now she's been wrapped into fame. But what are you, the one she'll leave behind? The man with nothing left but men to find. I'm talking about Robert, an attention Robert, and with the style of Ricky Martin, the father of gay, wide array. I guess we all knew it, but he still won't admit it, so screw it. I'm gonna make a joke and say Robert got the chance to and blew it. If you get it, put you straight into it. Anthony, I ain't leave you out, asshole, without a doubt. Can't even fix your car, can't even spit a bar. You go all in and don't get far, you putting out a yo gay bar, so I bet you think you a star. Cause they treat you like you a winner, but when it comes to beating that pussy up, you still labeled as a beginner. Force feed your mind, your sadness inclined. You bitches been quiet for such a long time, I'm starting to leave you behind. Yeah, I'm winning and you're sin, and we know that this just the beginning. Biatch! Marpo out, good luck responding to this shit. How do you plan on getting back at me? Cause I'm the master, motherfucker. You ain't none to me, you an outcaster. Yeah, you'll never outlast me, Marpo one, number one. The people who tell me that my lyrics unsung, cause I'm cool for thought. People right here, no, I don't have to jot to kill you off. Yeah, you niggas soft. Later.